So today I've set myself a challenge to feed the family for £15, and that feels incredibly tight, especially with the cost of living being sky high right now. But I feel like it's a challenge I may be able to take on. Last night I spent the evening researching, looking at different recipes and creating a shopping list of 5 different meals. So I have got the list together and I've just quickly wrote it down. It's a little bit scruffy, but I have this down to be £14.37. Is that the only one? How much is it? Yeah, that's fine. Apples. Yeah. But we need to get the lowest price ones. So have a look and see which ones. Yeah, they're 79p. What about, is there any other? Actually, we could get something else. Look, pears, 57p. The shop that I bought earlier. It's a bit later in the evening because it's just been a really hectic night, but I just wanted to share with you the items. Firstly, we've got the cornflakes. So this is a really cheap breakfast idea. Cornflakes with maybe with a piece of fruit would work, and then also some milk to go with the cornflakes. And then I've got some bread, which I was thinking, oh gosh, I haven't actually got like, you know, filling for it, but to be honest, there's some meats here, so possibly some chicken or from the chicken thighs to make some sandwiches, or even eggs, maybe some boiled eggs or something, and have some boiled egg sandwiches. So that would be a couple of ideas for lunch as well. And then just some squash to have throughout the day with the meals or when feeling thirsty, but it'd be mainly water. And then snack wise, these biscuits, they were only 25p, just one pack. Then heading on to the meals, that's the main bulk of this. Now this shop would be much cheaper if I didn't buy any of the herbs, so maybe I'll do 2 totals. One with all the herbs that you're likely to have at home, and then one with the items that you need for the meals. We've got some mince and some bacon, and then we've also got chicken thighs, because chicken thighs are so much more cheaper than buying chicken breasts. We've got some eggs. I believe this is for the veggie stir fry. Got the long grain rice, but it is the cheapest version. Then we've got some veg as well. So we've got some carrots, some garden peas, and some broccoli. We've also got some peppers and onions and garlic. So these are for several of the meals, mainly the veggie stir fry, I believe. I'm trying to think what the meals are. And then I've got spaghetti as well. They didn't have the... And then we've also got spaghetti as well, because they didn't have the cheapest version of the spaghetti. And then also bought some vegetable stock. And then for the stir fry, we've got soy sauce and sweet chili sauce too. Chose the sweet chili sauce to have a sweet chili chicken rather than the hoisin chicken, because they didn't have any of the hoisin sauce. And then also some kidney beans for the chili con carne.